Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to copy unique data from one sheet to another sheet by using advanced filter. As you can see in this sheet, we have some party name which has been appeared more than once. As you can see, A to Z has been appeared 2 times. A construction has been appeared again 2 times. This means we have each party which has been appeared more than once. I want to copy unique parties, means a single name, to another sheet, that is in sheet 1. Let's see how can we do this. First of all, select the header of the column party name, select and copy it. Paste it in another sheet where you want to copy it, as I have pasted it in A1. Now go to data tab and select advanced filter. I have selected. As you can see, a small dialog box has been opened. Click on the copy button and then go to list range. Here you select the column which you want to copy. I want to copy sales column this. I have selected it. In the criteria field, this is optional. You can use the criteria field or not. It is just optional. In this case, I am using a criteria field. Again, go to sales column. Here I have created one criteria, that is sales greater than 10,000. That means select only those party whose total sales is greater than 10,000. I have selected this criteria. And then in the copy to, select the party's name, means A1, select cell A1. Select this. I have selected it. Then click unique record only, so that you can filter only unique data. Now click OK. As you can see, we have filtered all the parties name unique, means in this case you are not seeing any repeated parties name. As you can see, each and every party has been appeared once. Now what is the use of criteria? Come to sales figure. In this I have given a criteria sales greater than 10,000. That means Excel will filter, Excel will copy only those party whose sales is greater than 10,000. In this case, you can see I have one party whose name is A construction. A construction sales figure is 2000, and again its sales figure is 5250. That means his total sale is 7250, which is less than 10,000. For this reason only, this party has not been appeared in another sheet. You can see in another sheet we don't have A construction. Okay, but if you remove this criteria, okay, and again if you use advanced filter, you can easily find A construction name. I am deleting this data, and I am using advanced filter once again to show you what is the use of criteria. In this case, I am not using any criteria range. Select the copy to another sheet location. Here you select the range which you want to copy. I have selected A and B column. In the criteria range, leave as blank. Go to copy to data. Select A1 because this is the header which Excel will match and it will copy the data. Select this, then click on unique data record, click OK. Now you can see in this case we have got a construction because I have already deleted criteria range. For that reason a construction has been appeared in this set. Thank you. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.